Hello guys, my name is Chimdi and welcome to Official Makebox. In today's video, I am going to be showing you something very important: how to make use of your phone as a microphone to your laptop. This process I'm going to teach you is going to give you the purest sound and no latency, so you can be able to optimize your video production as well as making money online. Okay, without further ado, let us go straight into the video. Now, for this, we are going to be needing 3 items. Okay, number 1 is going to be your mobile phone, of course. Number 2, you will need a USB cable, be it a Type-C or an iPhone cable or a BlackBerry cable, whichever one you have. And then you need an app and obviously your laptop. The app we are going to be using today is going to be the app called Mic Client. Okay, the link to the app will be in the description down below. When you click the link in the description down below, it's going to take you to this page. All you have to do is install this by clicking on it. Once that one is installed, you also click on this and install it as well. I already have the both of them installed, so I won't be going through the process. It's straightforward. Just simply click and then it's going to be installed. All right, now we are in Play Store. Simply type Mic Client and you're going to see this Mic here. Click on install and give that a good old wait so that it can install. It's not going to take quite long. All right, once it's done, tap on open. As you can see, it is routing Wi-Fi and stopped, but we want to make use of USB. So we're going to click here, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi transport and select USB. Then we're going to go back and click on this play icon. But before you do that, you have to make sure that you have USB debugging enabled. Simply go over to settings. Go over to settings, developers option, swipe up till you see USB debugging. You have to turn that on and click OK. Now go back and then click on this plus icon. It is going to ask you this, just allow while using this app. All right, and then go over to your computer, to here connections, tap on connect. Make sure you're selecting USB. All right, you can select through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but the best is USB so that you don't have latencies. All right, when you selected USB, you can then click on connect. You wait for some seconds and it's going to create the connection. Make sure your USB is plugged to your computer, and as you've seen here, it's written connected, and even on your phone here you can also see that it is connected. Okay guys, and that is how to connect your USB with your phone, and you guys can see how it sounds. It sounds perfectly okay. Okay guys, this is how to use your phone as a microphone to your laptop. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. But if you do not want to use your phone, that you want to get a microphone, I have links in the description to show you many microphones cheap, under $50, that it can give you high quality audio like the one I'm using right now. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.